back to the channel, y'all. In this video, we're gonna be trying out the smartfood snickerdoodle popcorn. Alright guys, I thought this was kind of interesting. Here it's a limited edition holiday flavor. Had this about 2 weeks now. It's now getting around to it. Got it a little bit around Christmas time, I would say. About getting close to a month ago. So anyway, we're gonna try it out. It only has 4 grams of sugar. So let's see what it tastes like. Pick this up at Walmart's by Smartfood. Alright, so here we go. Turn to it. Show you guys what it looks like. Alright, regular popcorn kind of with a bunch of sprinkles and stuff on it. So let's see what it tastes like. Go. That's kind of like it's good. Tastes kind of like cinnamon toast crunch popcorn. That's what I get. Tastes a lot of the cinnamon flavor. Sweet. It's good. I like it. It's good. Remind me of if you like cinnamon toast crunch, then you'll like these. I do taste a lot of cinnamon. It's not real sweet, but it's sweet. Good. Fresh, crunchy. It's good. I like them. I would actually buy these again. That's how much I like them. No, some stuff you ain't gonna buy no more, but this one it does taste like the cookie. It's good. First, I didn't think I would like them, but I do. It's good. So, yeah. That's on y'all at Walmart. Get these a try. I think they're still out. Y'all know I like to rate stuff. On a scale 1 through 5, I give these a 5. They actually are good. Only 4 grams of sugar. Y'all give them a try. Alright, anyway, if you're new to my channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Share my videos out with your family and friends. And until next time, man, y'all give these a try now. By Smartfood. Snickerdoodle popcorn. I'm out of here. Peace.